Readers, welcome back. I'm excited to hear you read again today. So, we've been talking about and learning about nonfiction books. Remember, nonfiction books are books that are filled with facts, true things, right? And we've talked so far about how they often have real photographs in them. Yeah, they do. They often have real photographs. And we also learn that when we read them as a reader, we use our teacher voice or our scientist voice. Today, I want to tell you a super brain power, the very last super brain power that goes with nonfiction books. Are you ready? Our last super brain power is wow power. Isn't that kind of a silly name? When readers read nonfiction books, they look for wow facts. They're curious and they're interested. They pick a book they think they're going to want to learn more about, and they look for wow facts inside. Facts that make them say, wow, I never knew that. So, I have a nonfiction book. It's called Crabs. I like going to the beach, so I kind of like crabs. So, I thought I would try this one. And it does have real photographs, as you can see. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to listen and I'm going to read and I'm going to see if I can find any wow facts in this crab book. Crabs. Crabs may look fierce, but they are shy animals. When they see people, most crabs run away. And this is a fierce looking brown rock crab. And this one is a shy ghost crab digging a hole to hide in. The parts of a crab. Crabs don't have bones like we do. Their body is covered with a hard shell instead, like a suit of armor. They have 5 pairs of legs with large claws on the front pair. Crabs have feelers called antennae and eyes on short stalks. I don't know if I knew that they had short stalks. Not that I've ever looked that closely. Crabs use their claws for eating and for waving at other crabs. Wow, I never knew that crabs waved to one another. That is so funny. Sometimes they use them for fighting. That I probably would have guessed. And these are 2 red crabs having a fight. Where crabs live. Most crabs live in the sea or on the seashore, but some live on land or in fresh water. This guy looks like he just ate a lemon. How crabs get around. Crabs walk or run sideways on the tips of their legs. Some crabs have back legs like paddles, which they use for swimming. This is called a horn-eyed ghost crab walking. Wow, look how fun. Sorry, look how funny looking he is. The paddle-like back legs of this surf crab can help it swim. This is a surf crab. Most crabs eat smaller animals and tiny plants in the sea, but crabs on land may eat coconuts and other fruits. They may even attack young birds. Can you tell that was a wow fact for me? Wow, I never knew that crabs ate birds. What? Okay, so do you see how that goes? You probably don't need to read every page of my book on crabs. So today, when you go off to read, remember, you don't have to only read nonfiction because readers read the books that they want, right? You're going to make your pile, and I'm hoping your pile has at least 3, maybe 4 or 5 books in it. Maybe like 3 lookbooks. I mean, 3 just right books and a lookbook, and then maybe like 1 more just right book kind of thing. And I want you to read it, but I want one of your books to be nonfiction, just one, and see if you can find any wow facts, facts that make you say, wow, I never knew that crabs wave to each other. And then when you're done, come back and tell me if you found any. If you didn't find any, that's okay. But maybe you'll find something really cool about one of your books. Alrighty? Go do some great reading. Use those superpowers. See if you find a wow fact in your nonfiction book. See you soon.